Hello and welcome to the Advanced Form Integration Help videos. Today, I will talk about Autopilot integration. You can easily connect Autopilot with Advanced Form Integration plugin, so when any trigger event is happened, like a form is submitted or WooCommerce new order is placed, it will automatically create or update a person. To show you how the process works, I will use a sample contact form 7 form. It is a simple subscription form with some basic fields. At first, I need to save the Autopilot private API key in the settings. I will go to Plugin Settings and activate Autopilot. It will add a new tab. I will go to the tab. Here I need to save the key. I will go to Autopilot Dashboard, and then Data Sources. I will click on New Data Source and select Custom API. Then I will click Get Started button. I will put a name and click Create. The API key will be generated automatically. I will copy it and save in the settings page. I will go to the new integration page. I will select Contact Form 7 in the trigger. Then I will select the form that I want to connect. In Action I will select Autopilot. And then select the task to add Update Person. In the basic version of the Advanced Form Integration plugin, you can add email, first name and last name of a person. In the professional version of the plugin you will also be able to add all default person fields including tags and custom ones. I will select Autopilot Pro in the action. This option will only be available in the professional version of the AFI plugin. I will select the task again. You can see all the fields here including tags and custom fields. We have 2 additional fields in the form to take user's company name and job title. So I will create both as new fields in Autopilot. The easier way to create a custom field is by going to an existing person's page. So I will go to the People section and open an existing person's page. If you don't have any person existed, just create a sample one. After going to the person page, I will click on the Edit Fields button. Here I will click on Create New Field and put the field title. I will keep the field type as a regular text field. I will create the other field. You can see both fields have been created. Now I will start mapping the fields. I will select Email from the drop-down in the Email field. So when people will submit the form, the value in email input box will be sent to Autopilot's email field. The deduplication will be checked by this field. So if the submitted email already existed in the system, it will update the data to that person's profile. Similarly, I will map first name, last name and phone number. Remember that Autopilot requires a full phone number with country code. So you need to design your form in a way that user also need to enter the country code. But if you expect all the users from a same country, you can also set a fixed country code while mapping. For example, 1 for the US or 44 for UK. I will put the country code of my country. You can put a tag here that you want to be added with the newly created contact. I will insert a sample tag. The custom fields need to be entered in key equals to value format. The key need to be in a specific format defined by Autopilot that will include the data type, namespace, and the field key. Their API documentation has more details on it. However, if you don't want to bother, I found an easy way to get the key. I will go to the person's profile again. I will right-click on a blank space, select Inspect. Now I will click on the arrow button and point the cursor on the company field. If you go to the root div of the field, you will see an ID, and its value is the key. I will copy it and paste in the custom field input, then I will add an equals to sign, and then select the company form field. For multiple fields, we need to add double pipe in between. I will copy the key of the job title field in the same way. I will remove the spaces after the equals to sign and the mapping is done. Now I will save the integration. I will quickly fill the form and submit to see the result. You can see the contact was added with all the fields we submitted. The tag is added too. If the things not go as expected, you can check the log section. Here you will find a list of all API calls that were made by the integrations. Investigate the request and return data for errors. If you need more assistance, feel free to send an email to support@advancedformintegration.com. Thanks for watching the video.